Hello, my name is Marina Brito. I am the creator of Girl on Girl Action, which is a site that promotes women supporting each other in a healthy and positive manner by providing a workplace support, awareness of actions, especially towards other women, and teaching young girls to become leaders. The main goal of my site is to reach women from freshman year of college and beyond to become strong, enlightened, successful leaders. If you would like to know more about my page, please click on the link below. I'm here today to give you my top 5 picks for women support sites and groups. We'll start with my first pick, Thrive Global. Thrive Global is a website that gives advice on how to work and live smarter. This has featured authors in networking in the workplace and to have a healthy work environment. And it also gives the importance of living well in your day-to-day lives. So we'll continue to my number 2 pick, UBS Global Visionaries. This site deals with human rights, but still leads with strong female support, empowerment, and leadership. It is directed towards men and women, but they also educate on civil and human rights. So, if we go here to equality, it has featured articles capturing human rights abuse, negotiating peace, fast-tracking a cure for paralysis, families, not orphanages. Also talks about gender equality, reduce inequalities, and peace and strong institutions. So we'll continue to my third pick, which is ACHI, Women Supporting Women Association. This supports the next generation of women by partnering with other women support groups. They believe in strength and sisterhood and is a worldwide organization. They host different events and even have their own magazine. So we'll just click here to talk. This talks about their nominations.
Good evening. I'm Stephanie Tucker, reporting live from the ACHI TV newsroom. We interrupt your social media scroll to inform you of a special news bulletin. This just in, nominations for the ACHI Magazine Awards Tour is now open and coming to a city near you. ACHI Magazine Awards honors the contributions of extraordinary women making a difference in their community. It celebrates the spirit of womanhood while encouraging the next generation of women to come. ACHI Magazine Awards will tour 6 cities in the South Atlantic states. Be sure to visit the website for additional tour details.
And the reason this site is my number 3 pick and not my number 1 is because you actually have to pay to become a member, which is still $65 annually, is very doable. And then you can also start your own ACHI group within your area. So it's still a wonderful cause to be a part of. My number 4 pick, and is almost like my second favorite one, is Lean In. This site is absolutely awesome, and it's about solidarity among women. Lean In gives great advice on having women mentoring each other, and also how that women usually are interrupted by both genders, just because we tend to devalue our own ideas. So it also talks about how to be the best role model for young girls. Let's click here. And it also gives education on gender equality, equal pay, and any other types of injustices. So it says here, coach girls to speak confidently, to teach girls to navigate conflict, to encourage girls to their own success, and to inspire girls to go for it. And number 5 is to celebrate female leadership. And they continue to still have great tips, how to be a workplace ally, and tips for managers. And with Lean In, what I love about the site is that you can start your own Lean In circle within your area. You have Lean In Together, and here's the education, partnering, and equal pay. And this is where you want to start a circle or find a circle within your area. This is something I do want to do in my spare time just because it is very beneficial. And my fifth and final pick is Women's Fear. Women's Fear is phenomenal. They were actually featured in an article with UBS Global. And this is very exciting because they show strong, powerful women in leadership. And they are supported by men. And this group sees the future through leadership, innovation, and STEM. They have their own innovative labs. Let's click here. And their main goal is to get girls to lead and motivate and innovate across different fields. And I would love to get this group to speak at Rutgers one day. That would be my goal, hopefully as an undergrad or a grad student, because I think it's important to hear these types of leaders for all women and men to see how far we've come and how much so we can go. So these are my top 5 picks for sites and support groups for women. I believe in my stance because it's too long that women have been undervalued by each other, and we need to learn how to support each other. All right, that is all I have, and thank you for listening.